Hello everyone! Good afternoon, or good morning, good morning. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all people around the world. Filipinos OFW, Filipinos working abroad, mabuhay po tayong lahat. Good afternoon, good morning sa inyong lahat. Afternoon po kasi dito sa amin. So right now, here we go ang pinakaantay ng lahat ng nakararami, ang ating anti-aging or renewal oil blends. So, renewal oil blends, guys. So, because this is not a cure, it's just gonna help to make your beauty skin to be look younger and beautiful like me. But I haven't used this, guys, because this is the first time I'm gonna make it. Do it yourself. A renewal to become youthful, your beautiful skin, diba, guys? So, my ingredients here: sea buckthorn, helichrysum, tamano oil, cucumber seeds oil, pomegranate seeds oil, hemp seeds oil, frankincense, vitamin E. This is the preservatives, vitamin E, and to protect your skin, rosehip oil, all organic, guys, and geranium. So, isisit aside na natin to, guys. Itong iba na nandito kasi meron na tayong mga measurement here. So, we have to sit down. So, I have here, guys. So, this one, I sanitized this already, guys. So, I'm gonna mix all of this in this bowl or... So, all of this, guys, I measure it. Tinimbang ko siya. I use a electronic scale. So, we have to mix them all together. All these ingredients. So, this one, guys, this plastic glass, I cannot use this anymore. For the safety, always use brand new one. So, magastos. At sayang yung mga kumapit dito sa plastic. Kaya lang, we need to measure it to make it sure that it is exact measurement. You can use grams or ml when you measure it. Para masaid siya. Sayang kasi yung mga kumapit dyan. Ang bango. My favorite is helichrysum, guys. Super bango. So, very nice aroma, the helichrysum. Ayan na. So, we have to mix this properly, all of this. Pinakamarami yung hemp seeds oil. Siguro you're gonna ask me what is hemp seeds oil. You have to do your research, guys. What is hemp seeds? So because I cannot tell you here what is hemp seeds oil, I'm doing the mixture. May pagpagpagpag talaga, no? Sayang kasi, guys. Sayang kasi yung natitira dito sa lagayan. At ako ang mauunang gagamit nito, guys. Siyempre, it's my lab test or I have to test it to myself. Ayan. So ito, itatapon ko na lahat na only one time use. Diba? Oh my God, it smells so good. Ooh, parang ang sarap higupin. And geranium. Oh, I have already frankincense. And this is the rosehip oil. Ayan, diba? Ilan to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 ingredients, guys, mixed together. And it's all premier ingredients. Oh, who wants to order? The Renewal Oil Blends to make you look younger, feel younger, and beautiful skin. All natural because these are all natural ingredients, organic. And it's very expensive, guys. So, siguro magtatanong kayo, magkano naman yan? Teka, tanggalin na natin to. Para hindi ako mahirapan maglagay. So, this is geranium, guys. Yan. Geranium. Ang bango ng rose hip. If you order a rose hip seeds oil, it's super duper aroma. Nice smells of aroma. So this is the premier class. So now I have a, wow, it smells so good. Oh my God, it smells rose. Nananaig yung yung amoy ng rose hip oil. Sarap kainin ito. Ang bango. Now, I have to transfer this on a proper dark color bottles. So I have here this is from the black seeds oil bottle, and this is a very good high quality of plastic. That's why I reuse it. I sanitize this, guys. So now I'm gonna need a imbudo. So if you're gonna ask me what's in English imbudo, you translate it. Google it, guys. So now we have the, oh, I'm excited to use this. The Renewal Face Oil Blends. Merlinda's Botanical. So I'm gonna use this. So why you gonna ask me why we have to use a dark bottle? You can use this one. So for sure I'm gonna use all of these because this is 500 ml, guys. The total of this 500 ml. And it's like 2 cups, maybe 2.5 cups. So ay naku, mahirap makita to. So ayan na, ready na ang ating anti-aging or renewal face oil. So this is not a cure. Disclaimer, this is not a cure. This is just gonna help your skin look younger. Because of all different kinds of oil blends. Mamaya, hahaplusin ko ito at ipapahid ko sa aking face. Yan. So, ready to tango. Kailangan kong silip-silipin, guys, kasi baka sumobra, sayang naman eh. Super mamahal ng mga ingredients nito. Oops, sobra nga. Ay, muntik na. See, guys, kasi it's very dark, you cannot see. Ayan, sayang. Hahaplusin ko na lang yan at ipahid sa aking face. O, diba? Para may pakinabang yung aking face. Dito naman siya. Sayang kasi pag tumapon, guys, super mamahal ng ingredients. Ayan, dito naman. At least ito makikita ko. Diyan muna natin. At ito, pwede ko na siyang i-transfer dito sa isang lagayan. May laman pa to. At ito may laman pa din. So, hanap tayo ng wala ng laman. Ito, gamitin ko to. So, yung sa rose hip, wala na siyang laman, pwede na siyang gamitin. I-reuse natin. No need na siya guys hugasan kasi it's very clean. And rose hip is very good for the face. So, lagyan natin. Kasi ibebenta ko na ito mamaya, guys. Ayan na siya. O, diba? So, hindi ko alam kung magkano ang presyo nito kasi I have to total all the ingredients. Woo! At mag-aalalagay pa tayo ng iba pa. Ano to? May laman pa yata. Meron pa siyang laman. So, ang kukunin natin dito ay yung mga wala ng laman. Mga puno-punuan pa to. Ito. Ay, may laman pa din. So, yun lang guys. So, thank you for watching. I'm gonna put on the label and I'm gonna show it to you guys, the labeling. Now, I'm gonna show you that I'm using it, guys, on my face. Let's see. My face is pinkish already because I was too tired squeezing all the... Bango. I love it. Oh my God, look at that, guys, oh. See, guys, I'm showing it to you now. So, at least, right away, you can see the effect on my face. So, yung mga pleges or yung mga wrinkles nyo, yun, ganyan, imamassage nyo. You have to massage 2 minutes, guys, your face every night when you're applying this. Look at that, guys. See? The effect. Oh my God. Now, my face is become rosy cheeks. Ooh. Oh, the anti-aging or renewal face all blends. See, guys? Oh, diba? Ganda. Diba? Oh. What can you see, guys? It's so beautiful. Ayan, oh. Ito, kukuskusin ko to, guys. Kasi ipapahid ko to sa mukha ko. Sayang eh. Ang mahal-mahal ng ingredients, guys. You know, So, ito yung pambenta natin. So, it might gonna be cost a lot of money, one like this. Kasi, yung ating frankincense, guys, the frankincense is like $75. Just this very small bottle. It's only like 30 ml. So you're gonna think, guys, so if I'm gonna sell all of this in just 30 ml, how much it's gonna be cost? Because 10 kinds of ingredients. The most expensive one is this one. Plus, adding different ingredients. So, I have to compute now because I need to label it. Grabe, ang ganda, oh! I'm so excited to use this! I might gonna be look teenager after 1 month using this, guys. Diba? Oh, ayan na. This is the evidence! Oh, diba? Yan, kakalagay pa lang. This is my first application on my face. So, see you later, guys. Get 2 bottles, big, and this is like 30 ml, and this one is 237 ml, and this I think is same, or no, yeah, same, 237 ml. So, the total is 500 ml that I make today anti-aging or face renewal oil blends by merlindasofery.com. So this is my packaging of my botanical renewal face blends. So I'm gonna show you. So I have a 20 ml here, and this is a 60 ml. So that's the packaging of 60 ml. And this is the packaging of 30 ml. See guys, and this is the packaging of 30 ml as well. See, 30 ml, 30 ml, and that's I forgot, it's 60 ml because it's bigger. This is 20 ml packaging. So see guys, 20 ml packaging, and Merlinda's Botanicals blend, and it says Botanical Face Renewal Oil. So it's translated to the French language, English to French language. That's the in Canada. So this one I'm using it for myself. So it's okay. I put a wrong ml because you know I make only 30 ml and 20 ml labels. So this one is for sale. Label with the wrapping, shrink wrap. So it's protected when it's going for traveling or for shipping. See guys, and this one is for sample for my friends. So this is for my self use. So this is the packaging sample of my Botanical Renewal Face Oil Blends.